In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Base44 project with others. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll be able to easily share your projects with friends or colleagues in less than 5 minutes. To get started first, open your preferred browser and enter Base44 into the search bar. This will take you to the Base44 homepage where you can begin your journey. Once you're there, you'll need to look for the link to access the Base44 platform directly. Simply click on this link to proceed. After you've arrived at the Base44 website, the next step is to click on Start Building. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on it will take you to the login page. At this point, if you already have a Base44 account, enter your login credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for a new account, which is a straightforward process. Just provide the required information and follow the prompts, and you'll be logged in no time. With your account ready to go, you have the ability to start building your app. Begin by writing a prompt that describes your idea, which is a great way to get started. However, if you've been working on projects previously, you can simply scroll down on the page to view your recent apps, making it convenient to pick up right where you left off. Once you have your app open, your attention should shift to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a Share button there. Clicking this button opens up your sharing options, allowing you to distribute your work to others seamlessly. For instance, if you're looking to share your project publicly, you can easily copy the URL that appears. Once copied, you can send this link to anyone you'd like via text message, messenger apps, or even an email. It's as simple as that. The recipient will be able to access your work directly through the link you provide. If you'd prefer to share your project more selectively, you can do so by entering the email addresses of those you want to collaborate with. When you type in an email, you'll also have the opportunity to specify the level of access you wish to grant them. This could be view-only or full edit access, depending on your preference. After specifying their access level, just click on Send Invitation. The recipient will then receive an email inviting them to access your Base44 project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share your Base44 project with others, ensuring collaboration and creativity flow smoothly across your networks. Whether you're working on personal projects or team endeavors, sharing in Base44 is a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.